Hey Preston, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. Hopefully we got the correct email. Sandra from your company stated that she will give you a heads up, so I'm hoping she did. Anyway, the reason we contacted your company was due to the fact that currently there's a high search volume for the services that you offer, pest controls. This means that you could make modifications to your website and bring in more traffic. I'll explain a little bit more in detail. However, I'm here to audit your site. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more traffic. Um, I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The 3 points or categories, I should say, are content, backlinks, and citation. Looks like this is your website here, Preston. It's a great website, beautiful layout. The logo is pretty good. Easy navigation. All the links seems to be working just fine. The colors, so it's a good website. Okay. However, to optimize your website, you're gonna need more content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves the level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it, Preston. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. And again, inside of Google. All that HTML code, believe it or not, Google spiders will crawl onto that HTML, get all those keywords, digest everything, and they actually store it onto their servers. Anyway, uh, in a typical 1,500 word layout of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are pretty much just words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, pest control. That's exactly how I found your company, actually, with one keyword, pest control, Mesa, Arizona. You weren't on the top of the list. However, that's how I found you with that keyword. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Now, for backlinks and citations, let's go over to Ahrefs real quick. This is a paid tool. If you don't mind paying for it, just get this platform. This is a great platform to have to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. Currently, Preston, your website has around 205 keywords, organic keywords. Traffic on a monthly basis, you're getting around 200 people jumping onto your website organically. All right. Referring domains, 117, backlinks, 359. So looking at your statistics, you probably already have a SEO working for you. However, your DR meter is at a 1.2 and the UR is a 10 currently. You don't have a lot of power, and as you can see here, you're kind of decreasing. You're going down on the rankings. That's not a good sign. The UR and the DR, Preston, is the rating of the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these two ratings are through backlinks and citations. A backlink is pretty much a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website. I'm sure you've seen it where you go onto a website and there's a paragraph maybe and there's a clickable, see, like this, and it'll take you directly to your website. That's pretty much what a backlink is in a nutshell. You do want those relevant backlinks, good with high authority backlinks that have in regards to your industry, pest control. So just be careful on that. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, or phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR meter here at a 1:1 ratio. It's just good practice. Google, when comparing to a different site, it's going to give you more of a boost, more of a preference. So just keep that in mind, 1:1 ratio for the DR and the UR meter. Um, last and most important are the keywords. But before we jump onto the keywords, let's go on to one of your competitors. Looks like these guys are getting all the attention. Defense, pest controls. So you can see they do have more of content here. Scrolling down, they do have quite a few more here. Another paragraph here. So they have more than your website when comparing your website. What they have going behind the scenes, though, they currently have over 2,000 keywords. Traffic in a monthly basis, they're getting over 1,000. Referring domains, 170. Backlinks, over 1,000. So you can tell they are working with the SEO agency already. The statistics are great. It looks like they are going down, not a good sign, and they don't have that 1-to-1 ratio. They need to work on the DR here. But anyway, this is what they currently have, and this is where you could be at also. So traffic over 1,000, going back to year back, what you have going behind the scenes of your website, over 200. And I did notice you also have different locations here. Yeah, so in reference to this video, I'm only pointing out in Mesa, Arizona. So what they have going behind the scenes of their website for the keywords alone, this is what they have. So they're pretty much ranking for pest control Mesa, Arizona. This is a good keyword. As you can see, there's around 400 people searching for your services, the services that you offer with this keyword inside of Google. Let's see if we could find another one here. Pest control in Mesa, 150 people in a monthly basis are searching for the services that you offer with this keyword here. So this is another good keyword to have to have in your website. So you get the idea. You don't want questions or long tail keywords like when do scorpions come out in Arizona. I'm not sure if this is a good keyword to have because ideally you as a company would like someone as a buyer intent, right? For example, this keyword here, someone is looking for your services in Mesa, Arizona. And that's just in that city, but jumping onto different cities or different areas in Arizona, of course, you have Florence, Arizona, pest control, 40. You get the idea, Preston. So this is what I have for you for now. This is very important. Just imagine, let's say, where's that keyword? Pest control Arizona 400. Let's say you just have that keyword and you optimize your website. At 400, instead of finding that company, they're finding you instead. That's the whole point of SEO services. Optimize your website, optimize your images, content, relevant backlinks, and citations. If you have any questions, Preston, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to know your thoughts, or if you're not interested, let me know that too. If you're currently at a position where you cannot take more work, that's completely fine. Let me just know so I won't send you any annoying follow-up emails. Okay? Thank you for your time, Preston. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.